Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share with you what I got for dahlias. I did do some thrifting, I'm going to share that, and if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to show you the dahlias that you can find at Home Depot because they have a really good selection. I used to go to PV all the time and Home Depot, so now I just went to Home Depot. They're actually still cheaper than the greenhouses. So the first one I picked up today is Sunset Assorted. I love the colors in here. They're very warm. They remind me of summer cocktails, and I think they're very beautiful in the shades of maroons, oranges, reds, and yellows. They're really, as the name describes them, kissed by the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. 4 bulbs in a pack, $14.98. Next, and this one is new to me, LeBaron. This is 2 in a pack for $9.98. And look at the colors on this. It is pretty. The flowers are going to be 15 to 20 centimeters. It should look beautiful in the midsummer. And I'm thinking of doing these in containers as well, you guys, this year. So I might have a lot of containers with dahlias in. They do really well in containers. You just can't put any companion plants with them because they compete too much for space. And because the leaves tend to be lower on the stem, they block the light from any surrounding plants that you have for a border. So definitely just dahlias in a container. But look at that color, the iridescence on that. Isn't that pretty? Next on my list is Penn Hill Watermelon. Look at the colors on that. It reminds me of Labyrinth. It's really pretty. And as you know, I have Labyrinth from last year, so I didn't want to get another one of them. But look at the colors. Love it. Seems like I have a bit of a theme going here with my colors. They're all corals and warms. Coral and very warm in shades of pinks and oranges and yellows. Here's a new one to me, Copper Boy. It is a ball dahlia. There's 2 in the bag, same thing, $9.98. Really pretty. Look at the colors in that. I seem to be drawn to these colors that have a bit of orange in them. You know, when you love orange, you just can't seem to get around it. There's always something that gets your attention that's orange. Next on my list is the Cafe au Lait Assorted. This is the first time I've seen this one here. 4 bulbs in here, or tubers, but it says bulbs on the package. So anybody that wants to correct me, it's because the package says bulbs, but they're tubers. And these are very large flowers. They're going to be 20 to 25 centimeters. And look at the colors on them. So there's your Cafe au Lait right there in the center, and you got a real variety of offsets in colors that have probably been combined with the Cafe au Lait to make these beautiful shades. I am loving this one. I can't wait to see these in bloom. And I still have my cold, still trying to get my voice back. Feeling a little bit better now. I've been drinking a cold shamrock milkshake to try to ease off the sore throat, but it's been a long haul with this virus that I have. Or basically the flu is what I had, and still have a little bit of it. Probably have to get some antibiotics. Okay, I got this teapot out thrifting. It's $5.99. There's a little teapot. I think it looked great on my kitchen shelves. Then I got these ice cream cone containers, and these were like 99 cents each. I think they're kind of sweet. This one says $1.99, but I got them for 99 each. I got a chick Easter cup. I love my Easter decorations and that. I thought this was cute, and hey, it's green. Gardeners love green. Then I have another one of those cute little containers here, and this was 99. I just like it because it's pink. Then I got this sweet little set of bears, and these were $1.99 each for the cups, and there's 3 of them. You can see here. I had a good haul today thrifting. And then it came with the little teapot. I'm a little bummed it doesn't have the lid, but look at the detail on it. Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that make a nice arrangement? Put some flowers in it. And then it came with, I'm assuming this is the sugar. You can see here, he's a bigger bear. And then there's this cute little dog on top. Had to be so careful bringing these home. But aren't they sweet? And then for Christmas decorating, to do a Christmas tablescape, I got this set for $10, all of this, and they're gold and silver snowflakes on them. And I'm assuming poinsettias on the pattern. So I just needed a place setting of 4. And you can see here the brand on them. Really nice, very happy, good shape. For $10, actually it came to 9 something because Rob got a senior discount. That was great. And then I got 3 of these, I call them cookie jars. They could be for flour or anything, but they're each a bigger size. I'll just grab the other one. There, you can see them now. Each size is bigger. These were $7.99 each. They're pretty good shape. The seal seems to be pretty good on them. And they need some cleaning, of course. But I thought they were really nice for spring. And finally, I got a little stand here. Put a candle or decorate it. I like the green on it. And then, of course, I had to pick up something for fall. So I found this nice deep pumpkin dish here for like $2.99. And so I picked that up. So that's my haul for thrifting. And I'm really happy with what I got. Nice variety in that. I like to go thrifting every once in a while, especially in winter when there's not so much happening on the gardening season. But I wanted to show you what I got here. And now I'll share with you what I found for dahlias at Home Depot so you can decide if you want to go pick up any, if you see any that you like. And I'll see you in the next video. So enjoy. Bye.